Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today I will discuss more MCQs which are based on English literature, and these are important questions from previous question papers. So if you are interested, you can check other videos which are related to quiz that is also available on my channel, and link will be provided to you in the description box. So let's get started with today's quiz, that is quiz number 7. Friends, my first question is, which of these works by Indian writers does not have the Naxalite movement as a background? The key word is does not have, right? So the options are like this: Mother of 1084, The Lives of Others, The Shadow Lines, The Lowland. What is the right answer? The right answer depends on this explanation that option, when we talk about option A, then option B, and then option D. These three novels are written in the backdrop of Naxalite movement, right? The Shadow Lines. The Shadow Lines novel is set against the backdrop of historical events like Swadeshi movement, Second World War, partition of India. So the right answer is option C, the Shadow Lines, right? My next question is, which of the following statements best describes? Now the key word in this question is best describes Sir Thomas Browne's Religio Medici. Options are given. It is a story of conversion or providential experiences. It emphasizes Browne's love of mystery and wonder. Religio Medici is full of angst, melancholy, and dread of death. It reports the facts of Browne's life. Now we have to tick one answer, and before that it is better to discuss Religio Medici in brief. That it is Sir Thomas Browne's well-known work, right? And this work was circulated as a manuscript among his friends. This is also known as the Religion of a Doctor, and it is a spiritual testament and early psychological self-portrait, which was published in 1643, right? So the right answer is it reports the facts of Browne's life. It became a European bestseller, which brought its author, that is Sir Thomas Browne, fame, right? So which one is the following best statement? That is, it reports the facts of Browne's life. Then next question is, who among the following was not a member of the Scribblers Club? Who was not the member, right? What is the Scribblers Club? It was a literary club which was founded in 18th century, and whose founding members were the brilliant Alexander Pope, then Jonathan Swift, John Gay, Thomas Parnell, right? And which one is left? That is Joseph Addison is left, so he was not a member of this club, right? Then next question is question number 4. In 1817, not 47, in 1817, review of Coleridge's Biographia Literaria, Francis Jeffrey coined the term. Which term? Lake School of Poets, grouping Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Crabbe. Second group is Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Byron. Third group is Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Hazlitt. And fourth is Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Robert Southey. Now, which group belongs to Lake School of Poets, right? And these poets are a group of English poets who lived in the Lake of District of England at the turn of the 19th century. They are considered part of the Romantic movement. It includes Wordsworth, then Coleridge, and among these we have to find out the answer, which one is the correct option, right? The right answer is Wordsworth, Coleridge, and Robert Southey. Later they became known as the Lake Poets, named after the Lake District in the northwest of England where they lived. Next question is, Everyman is a medieval play based on an episode from the Bible, a medieval morality play, a Tudor interlude, or a miracle play. So friends, the right answer is a medieval morality play, and there is already a video on morality play. You can also check that video, right? Then question number 6 is, identify the group known as the Whisker trilogy. Now again one more group, the Wesker trilogy. Now groups, this is given, grouping is given, the growth of the soil, game of life, in the grip of life. Second group comprises chicken soup with barley, roots, I'm talking about Jerusalem. Option C, group in option C is the Four Seasons, chips with everything, Golden City, and option D has lunatics and lovers, the portraits, dead end. Identify the group known as the Wesker trilogy, and the right answer is chicken soup with barley, roots, I'm talking about Jerusalem. Right, friends? Next question is, which novel of Graham Greene in the list does not end in some form of suicide, in some form of suicide by the protagonist, right? Which novel? Options are like this: The Heart of the Matter, England Made Me, Brighton Rock, The Power and the Glory. So the right option is, or the right answer is, England Made Me. Next is, identify the novel with the wrong subtitle listed below. Identify the novel with the wrong subtitle, right? Novel is given and the subtitle is given. We have to find out which one is the wrong subtitle. First one is Middlemarch, a study of provincial life. Then Tess of the D'Urbervilles, a pure woman. The Mayor of Casterbridge, a man of character. Felix Holt, the socialist. So friends, the right option is B, Felix Holt, the socialist. Find the odd one among the Marxist critics given below. Find the odd one. Options are given. And right option is here, Northrop Frye. Why this is the right answer? Because Northrop Frye was a literary critic and literary theorist, and his recognition rests mainly on his theory of literary criticism that is considered as one of the most significant works of literary theory which was published in 20th century. So he is not the Marxist critic. Question number 10 is, who is John Keats' Sylvan historian? Fanny Brown, Nightingale, the Grecian Urn, or the Bridge of Quietness? So friends, the right answer is here, the Grecian Urn, because I think this is very easy answer, right? So I don't think it need any explanation. Then question number 11 is, which of the following statement is not true of D.G. Rossetti? Friends, D.G. Rossetti is already discussed on my channel, and the name of the video is Pre-Raphaelite Movement. Yes, when I have discussed Pre-Raphaelite Movement, I have video on D.G. Rossetti. You can check that video also. That will be beneficial for you. And which of the following statement is not true? And after watching that video, it will be easy for you to answer this question. So let us discuss options. Option A is D.G. Rossetti was a Londoner, the son of an Italian refugee who taught Italian at King's College. Then Rossetti formed the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood with Holman Hunt, Ford Madox Brown and Painter Millas. Then he married Christiana Georgina. Then his blessed demoiselle displays his remarkable gifts as a point painter. Now, which of the following statement is not true of him? The answer is option C. He married Christiana Georgina, who was a poet in art, right? Then next is, friends, this is my last question. Question is, Wilkie Collins' novel The Moonstone tells the story of a detective's exploits in Victorian England. Option B is a doctor's adventures in a Middle Eastern suburb. C option is a fabulous yellow diamond stolen from an Indian shrine. And option D is illegal mining of diamonds in eastern UP during British rule. Wilkie Collins' novel tells the story of, his novel The Moonstone tells the story of a a fabulous yellow diamond stolen from an Indian shrine, right? This novel begins in India with a prologue written by an anonymous member of the family, and this anonymous narrator begins by tracing the moonstone's history, right, which begins in the ancient temple of Somnath, where the diamond was embedded in the head of a statue of the Hindu moon god. And the novel is a collection of eyewitness accounts by different characters who know something about disappearance of diamond. So the right answer is a fabulous yellow diamond stolen from an Indian shrine. So friends, this is all about my today's quiz. I hope you will like the quiz, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're on my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching, friends.